జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీరామచంద్ర స్వామి హూ ఈజ్ నీలమేఘశ్యామ, శ్రీరామచంద్ర స్వామి నలిన పత్రాక్షం హూ హ్యాజ్ డివైన్ లోటస్ లైక్ ఐస్, సచ్ రామచంద్ర స్వామి నౌ టేకింగ్ భరత తం అంకే భ్రాతరం కృత్వా, having Bharata sitting in his lap, Sri Ramachandra Swami addressing to Bharata. By then Ramachandra Swami's throat, Ramachandra Swami's tone became so hard and so heavy because of that emotion, and he slowly talking to Bharata, saying that, "Oh Bharata, my dear Bharata, you naturally have very good intellect and very good heart and also very good understanding. On top of that, you went through so many great acharyas. With the training given by all our acharyas, your intellect is sharpened more and more. Your understanding power is sharpened more and more. With all that together, you will be able to definitely rule the kingdom very well. Rakshitum prudhivimapi, you will be able to rule this entire earth." Oh Bharata, whenever you are taking decisions, you bring all your amatyaischa suhrudbhischa buddhimadbhischa mantribhihi, bring all of your very very good well-wishers and pradhana mantris, upamantris, those who have very good intellect, buddhiman, bring all of them together, and then sarvakaryani sammantriya, discuss with them and launch such a huge big projects. Oh Bharata, you will be able to rule kingdom very well. Now here is my decision. Please listen to me carefully, Bharata. Lakshmihi chandradapeyadva. Even if the moon is going to lose all of his glow and all of his light, I am not going to be losing my pratigna. Oh Bharata, himavan va himam tyajet. Even if Himalayas going to be losing all the snow, I will not be losing my pratigna, Bharata. Atiyat sagaro velam, even if the ocean is crossing over all the banks, I am not going to. Na pratignyam aham pituhu, I am not going to lose my pratigna, whatever the word that I gave to my father. Oh Bharata, and also one more thing, whatever happened is happened. Do not show any kind of anger towards Kaikamma. Na tanmanasi kartavyam, do not carry any kind of wrong intentions towards your mother Kaikamma. And also Bharata, vartitavyancha matruvat, you have to be very nice to Mother Kaikamma and you have to behave very well with Mother Kaikamma and act according to Mother Kaikamma. When Ramachandra Swami is saying all this, Bharata is looking at Rama, staring at Rama, because the glow from Rama is like the rays coming out of the sun, tejasaditya sankasam. That is why Bharata is staring at Rama. Not only that, pratipat chandra darsanam, as and how Chandra's glow, the moonlight gives so much of peacefulness, so also that kind of peace, that kind of light is coming out of Sri Ramachandra Swami. Bharata is looking at Ramachandra Swami and heard all the things what Ramachandra Swami said, and now Bharata is addressing Rama. Oh Rama, oh my dear brother Rama, here is the padukas which are made, which are decorated with gold. Padabhyam paduke hemabhushite. You please wear this golden padukas with your lotus-like divine feet. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.